Hey everyone! Today we're wrapping up this piece with a bit of a twist. I'm stepping outside my comfort zone and trying something a bit more angular. Usually I love lines that taper and flow, but today we're experimenting with deadweight lines. These are solid, uniform contour lines that wrap around the whole figure, giving it a really distinct look. We'll also add big bold shapes of black. To be honest, I'm far from mastering this style. I've always been a bit more chaotic by nature, and I like my art to reflect that. It's not about being perfect all the time, it's about the process. I'm drawing inspiration from Mike Mignola's iconic style. He's an artist I really look up to. There's a whole school of us artists out there trying to emulate his vibe, by the way. But this time I'm doing my own little spin. My ink brush is definitely on its last legs, though. It's practically singing its swan song. But you know what? I actually like those small mistakes. When the ink runs dry, for the details, having a bad pen can sometimes be a blessing in disguise. I'm now switching to the ZIG Manga Fineliner, the 0.8 version. It's nice and thick. I got it on the cheap too, so I don't feel bad about being a little rough with it. Finally, I add some white ink. I'm hoping this language of circles will balance out those raw, sharp edges that we started with. I like to group things in threes, small, medium and large, to keep the chaos feeling just a little bit more intentional. Well, that was it. Thanks for joining me on this doodle. Subscribe if you want more drawing videos just like this.